Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is October 28th and we're going to be looking at the chart of the SPY. This is S&P 500 ETF. Currently we are within the wave 5. Alright, within the wave 5. Within the wave 5 we subdivide into 5 waves with a nest within wave 3 of 5. So within wave 5 in blue we have 1, 2, and now we are within 3 in red and 5 in blue. Within 3 in red we subdivide yet another 5 waves rally. So we got 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and now looking to extend higher within 3 of 3. Now if you take a look here, this is a general structure of a 5 waves with extension. So we are extended higher within 3. And we got this 1, 2, and then now we are ending 3 here. Alright, this is exactly where we are ending 3 in black of 3 in red. Right? 3 in black within 3 in red. Now once we complete a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in red here, that will complete 5 in blue at the end of this 5 in red. Okay, now zooming out, we can see we are still within the same cycle from April 2025 low. So that cycle is mature, guys, but we are still extending higher as we speak, and we're now within wave 5 of that cycle, right? Within wave 5 of that cycle. So we're looking to finish wave 5. Within wave 5 we could still continue to extend higher. So this is the 4 here. Let me show you where the 4 is. So this is the 3, and the 1 and the 2 is somewhere here, down here. So we're looking to finish this cycle, after which we can see a bigger pullback, but until then we can continue to go higher. Now you can see, you might say, well, can we count this 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then 5 like this? Can we do that? Well, let's see what the evidence is. Now first of all, you can see the 5 in that case is going to be quite long, but there is a rule that says wave 3 cannot be in the shortest wave. So if you compare it this way, this, you can see this one currently is shorter than this, and then this wave 5 is longer than this. So that if you label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you will it will violate the Elliott wave sort of rules, right? Wave 3 cannot be in the shortest wave. So this is not a possible count in Elliott wave. You cannot call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 then, because that will make wave 3 to be in the shortest wave. Plus, if you look at the RSI, which is the momentum, you can see there is no divergence at the peak here. So if you look at this peak somewhere around here versus this peak, which is somewhere around, let's say, this one, now you can see how the momentum is at the strongest in this area. So typically with 5 will come with some sort of momentum divergence, and we can see right here we do not have a momentum divergence in the SPY, right? So which again is also making it less likely to be wave 5. So not only that it doesn't come with momentum divergence, but you cannot label this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 anyway, right? So that will leave us to this count here, which is basically we are doing a 5 waves up with a extension within wave 3. So that means in the short cycle, at least in the short term, we shall continue to see more upside, and any pullback should continue to find support in 3711 continues to go higher. So we should be ending 3 in black, and then pullback 4 in black, extends higher again 5 in black, which will end 3 in red, and then pullback 4 in red, and then extends higher again. So we will have a few more highs before we can potentially finish the entire 5 waves rally from October 11. Alright, so that's the update for today, and as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.